Okay, now that we've looked at how to run the coins through and put them into bags and sort them and go from the large size to the smaller size, now we're going to look at how to tube your coins if you have to put them in paper rolls. Okay, so the tubing set comes with the machine, and it's going to consist of the tube holder, the plastic tubes for each coin size, and a tube stopper. So the first thing we're going to need to do is install this stopper onto the tube holder. Well, the way we do that is you want to put it on there like that, and then you got to pull real hard so it snaps all the way down on both sides. It's going to look like this. Okay, after you do that, then you want to install this onto the machine. The way you do that is you go down here, you lift up the coin bag ring, slip this on there, and you push hard, and it goes in, and then it locks in to the knurled knob here. You should be able to see that. I'll see if I can get a little closer. This knurled knob locks it in. So it just pushed on. You can see the ring is up above it now, and it's ready to go. And this little thing is hanging down like this, straight down. Okay? Now I'm going to zoom in for a second down here, because I got to show you how to install the tube and then how to put the paper tube in. So we're going to do quarters. So we're going to get the quarter tube out of the bag. The quarter tube is the orange one. Now you have to use these what they call shotgun coin rolls. You can buy these. One end is already rolled over and crimped like a shotgun shell. They're the only ones that you should use for this. They slip right into the bottom of this tube holder. Now what you need to do is you need to put the quarter tube holder into the machine. Just drop it in like that. Then the next thing you want to do is pull this aside and slide the paper roll up into that tube holder, and then let that fall back to hold it. So now our paper roll is installed. Again, we drop the sleeve into the tube holder. We pushed this back, slid the paper roll up into it, and then let it fall back. Now we're going to put quarters in the machine. We're going to set the batch count to 40, and it'll fill that tube for us. So let's put some quarters in. Now we're going to set the batch here on the panel. So we hit the batch button, and we hit plus 10 until it goes to 40. Okay, so now the batch is setting at 40. There's quarters in the machine. The tube is loaded. We have 40 in the window. The tube is loaded. Paper roller holder is in there. The shotgun holder is in there. All we should have to do is hit start, and it should fill up the tube for us. So I'm going to hit start. It should stop when it gets to 40. One thing I forgot to do, I forgot to set the knob on quarters, so I'm going to do that now. Nothing was coming through because it wasn't set on quarters. So set this knob on quarters and set the other knob on quarters. Sorry. Okay, now I'm going to hit start. Okay, so 40 coins came through, went into the tube, filled it up. As you can see, we have a nice paper roller here with 40 coins in it. We crimp that end, and it's ready to go. Now I'll get the next roller, take the paper roller, pull this aside, set it up from the bottom, hit start again, and it'll load the next 40 in the next roll. Take the tube out, and we got another roll of 40 quarters. It's that easy. You can really roll coins fast with this machine. And also it keeps a running tally of how many you've counted all along. So that's it. It's as simple as that. Works great. Lasts a long time. Should be real happy with it. Thank you.